Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to bring a little more calm, focus, and deliciousness into your daily routine, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some fantastic products that can help you do just that. Whether you're a seasoned tea enthusiast or just starting your journey towards a more mindful lifestyle, we've got a great lineup. We're talking about everything from unique organic teas to the essential tools that make your preparation perfect, and even a powerful supplement that supports overall well-being. Stick around because we're about to explore 5 amazing items that could become your new daily favorites. You'll find links to all these products in the description below, so you can easily check them out. First up, let's talk about the Numi Organic Toasted Matcha. This isn't just any matcha, it's a truly special toasted variety that offers a wonderfully rich and unique flavor profile. What's more, Numi is deeply committed to environmental responsibility, so you can sip knowing their tea bags are made from biodegradable, unbleached manila hemp fiber, meaning no microplastics will end up in your cup. This focus on purity ensures you're enjoying a clean, healthy beverage every time. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the traditional benefits of matcha, like sustained energy and focus, but with a distinctive toasted note that sets it apart from typical green matchas. If you're looking for an organic, delicious, and responsibly sourced tea, the Numi Toasted Matcha is definitely worth. Next, we have a traditional matcha whisk, an absolutely essential tool for anyone serious about preparing authentic matcha. This isn't just a pretty accessory. A good bamboo whisk, also known as a chasen, is specifically designed to blend the finely ground matcha powder with hot water, preventing clumps and creating that signature smooth, frothy layer that makes matcha so enjoyable. Using a traditional whisk also connects you to centuries of Japanese tea ceremony culture, making the preparation a more mindful and meditative experience. It helps aerate the tea, enhancing both its texture and flavor, ensuring a perfectly creamy, lump-free cup every time. If you want to elevate your matcha ritual, a traditional bamboo whisk is a must-have. Moving on to something a little different, we have ashwagandha from Ancient Nutrition. This powerful adaptogenic herb has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine to help the body adapt to stress. Ancient Nutrition's USDA-certified organic ashwagandha features a unique blend of fermented ashwagandha root and leaf for enhanced absorption. Many people find that ashwagandha supports a healthy response to stress, promotes a positive mindset, and encourages more restful sleep. It can also help boost energy levels and improve mental clarity and concentration. If you're looking for a natural way to support your overall well-being and find more balance in your daily life, this ashwagandha supplement is a fantastic option. Our fourth product is another excellent whisk, the Joy Scale Batidor. This whisk is perfect for those who appreciate a fine texture and want to create that ideal frothy consistency for their matcha or other whisked beverages. Crafted with precision, it helps you achieve a smooth, creamy result, free from any lumps. Whether you're an experienced matcha lover or just starting to explore the art of tea preparation, the Joy Scale whisk is designed to deliver a superior whisking experience. It feels good in your hand, making the process enjoyable and efficient, and helps ensure that every cup you make is perfectly blended and delicious. It's a great tool for anyone who loves to make their own drinks and values quality and consistency. Finally, let's look at this Japanese whisk that includes a ceramic spout. This innovative design combines the traditional bamboo whisk with the added convenience of a ceramic spout, making it even easier to pour your freshly whisked matcha without spills. The whisk itself, like other quality bamboo chasens, is essential for creating that smooth, frothy texture in your matcha. The ceramic spout on the bowl is a thoughtful addition, especially for those who appreciate precision and a clean pouring experience, and it often comes with a built-in whisk holder to maintain its shape while drying. This combination of traditional whisking functionality with modern convenience makes it a fantastic addition to any tea lover's collection, perfect for a perfect pour every. And there you have it, 5 incredible products that can enhance your daily rituals and support a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. From the unique flavor of toasted matcha and the calming benefits of ashwagandha to the essential tools that perfect your tea preparation, there's something here for everyone. Remember, investing in quality products can truly transform your everyday experiences. Don't forget to check out the description below for direct links to all these products. We hope this guide helps you discover some new favorites and brings more joy to your routine. Thanks for watching,